Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, another reaction video that is. And today's video, oh my god, long, uh, over, I would say overdone. I mean, that would not have made any sense. Long awaited? I don't know. It's been too long. In my chair too. It's been too long since we made a video. I forgot how long it's been, like a week or so. And let me check right now. And we also hit right now. We're at 617 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for all the new subscribers, past subscribers, and thank you guys. Thank all of you. I really do appreciate it. All the support on the channel. And there is a recommendation that I really need to get to as well, which I'll honestly probably record after this video because I'm waiting on the next quarterfinal that I just realized was the round 1, 2, 3, and 4 are done. But for the newest one, not PSN and Kristóf, but for another one, I can't remember who right now, but. That one I might upload later this week, maybe? We'll see, or maybe even tomorrow, I don't know. But right now, I'm going to be recording this one, and then we're probably going to move on to the recommendation that was recently recommended. But, yeah. And then I want to know, I want to try to figure out if I can get a better webcam. This one's decent for what it is. Better webcam, or even probably even try to use my like a new GoPro or something like that. I don't know, I'm trying to get it working, see if I can find out how it works, if it does work, and it's just other stuff. And if not, I'll try to find another camera that I can use as this, and then you guys can have better quality reactions. This one's decent for what it is, like I said. But yeah, anyways, let's get back. PSN versus Kristóf. I've been waiting to react to this. I'm like, okay, I'll react to this after working on. Didn't have time. I've had all school stuff and work in the way. But I'm here. Just did some stuff today, and I was like, you know what? We're gonna try to make a video today. And yeah, now we're here. So yeah, this was uploaded I think like 6 days ago. So I usually like waiting for, instead of having round 1, 2, and then next video is 3 and 4. Right now I just have the quarterfinals. Just got 1, 2, and 3. We think we have so far. And right now we're just gonna be reacting to PSN versus Kristóf, both of their rounds. SBX. Kickback Battle 2021 Loopstation Edition. Let's do this, boys. Let's do this. I'm excited.
Welcome to the fourth quarterfinal of the SBX Kickback Battle 2021 Loopstation Edition with the exclusive prototype of the Boss RC505 Mark II. Today we have PSN versus Kristóf. First up is PSN with 3 minutes and 30 seconds on the clock. I say the 3.
Every time I hear PSN, it just reminds me of PlayStation.
And I say the 2 and the 1 in 3, 2, 1.
Beatbox. Let's do this. Okay. Hi-hat. Nice. Okay. Get everything set up. Now just wait in silence. Just kidding. I think this is what I was talking about in a couple, even last video or even like 2 videos ago, 2 reactions ago or quarterfinals ago. How people will get their stuff ready, but they'll make it silent, and then all of a sudden it'll be like a big surprise at the end or later in the track. It's pretty cool. Sorry if you hear what you're eating or something like that. My dog's eating over here. Ooh, hold on. Sorry for the interruption. My dog's eating, so it might be a little bit loud. Damn, bro. Okay. Nice. Yeah, I like that.
A próxima é PGG, hein?
Time.
That was interesting, you know.
Round 2, Kristóf.
I was expecting a tiny bit more, but I don't know. It was a bit weird. I don't know. But I did like it, you know, especially at the end. That was pretty cool.
Focuses on game.
Now it's time for Kristóf. Oh, with his foot and second device. Yo, bro, Kristóf, 3 devices, man. Your Loopstation, your foot, and the other freaking second device. Nah, bro. I think it's cheating. You know, 3 devices. Come on, 3 devices. It's so stupid. I don't know why I'm saying this. This is so stupid. I'm sorry. But I like the way he has it set up.
that's life. Baby, that's life. You know, baby, that's life. Who do you wanna be in? Does it even matter? Do you believe what you're seeing? Which way's better? Control starts with letting go. Don't you think you're in the know? Can't be wrong, can't be right. That's life. Baby, that's life.
That's nice. Yo, that's nice. I like that. Yo, these were a bit different, you know. But by the way, with PSN, no disrespect, freaking I love the track and all that. It's just a bit different for me. But damn, bro, they're both doing amazing. But damn, I like that.
Oh, baby, that's life. That's life. Baby, that's life. You know, baby, that's life. Baby, that's life. You know, baby, that's life.
Damn, bro. Damn, bro. Like the auto tune and all that, just. Damn. That's cool.
Baby, that's life. You know, baby, that's life. Baby, that's life. You know, baby, that's.
Whoa! That came out of nowhere, damn.
Baby, that's life.
Ooh. Sick.
And that's time.
Yeah, these are pretty cool.
PSN. Switch.
PSN. Let's see what PSN brings. Nice. If I yawn, it doesn't mean these are boring. I'm just very tired. Like, I apologize if it looks like I'm like, oh, I'm bored. These guys are not good. No, everyone's good. Every reaction that I've done, loved it. Every single one of them, of course. Every video. If I ever yawn, it's because I use some. Well, not in the beginning of the videos, but usually, like towards now, and like, I'd say a couple months. I've been doing these videos like later at night or whatever, so I'm usually pretty tired. So I apologize. Does this guy have 3 loop stations? God damn, bro. This dude's going all out. I'm not using them, but you know, he's got 3. And his hat, I think this is 7 or 7s. I don't know. It could mean something. I don't know. Maybe I'm just too tired. I also apologize for the interruptions, but also I apologize if goddamn amateur if my camera keeps shaking. Because my dog likes to jump off the bed and jump back on, and it just shakes the whole desk or the floor. Bro, sounds really good. Too good, bro. Too good. It sounds really nice. The singing and all that, and the track. And I think he also used the piano with it. I don't know. I was too blind to see it. But God, I was too busy. It's like too busy looking at the freaking Loopstation until he has 3. The Mark II and 2 regular. The RC505. I think it's just the regular one. Man, bro, this track is just. It sounds so good. I love it.
passa aqui, o Motoflex lá no meu ninja. Bola outro pack que nós tá free. O abacate já trouxe as tri. E o skin tá cheio de ski. PSN manja dos bi. Inclusive nos tracks da minha trip. Eu estou famoso, não como no almoço. Pão, só te botar uma coisa. Já sou mais velho que o baldão. Dig, dig, dai, os beats querem dar. Prefiro tomar chá, quarto do Maringá. Dago, boy, os caras tudo boy. Tem chifre que os boy, melhor que eu sou. Foi aonde, perdão, te pode.
Sounds so good, even though I don't know what he's saying. I listen to this in the car, bro. Like, it sounds so nice. Like, nice music to chill and all that. Just, god dang, I'm just, and my chair's annoying me. God damn, sounds really good. I love this. Sorry for pausing. Ooh. Man, the freaking and then panning from left and right. So good, bro. So good. Apologize for pausing a lot too. Love that, love that. Oh my god, that sounded.
Time.
Yo.
Round 4. Kristóf, switch.
Yo. I wish my camera had a wider. My webcam had a wider lens so you guys could see like it's bigger, but you know, more of the FOV or whatever. But god damn, that was really good. I like that one a lot. First round, I don't know. I like both of them, but I might just give it to Kristóf. Second round, I don't know. Kristóf's got a good amount to beat right here. I love PSN's track right there. That was amazing. I loved it. It sounded beautiful. Like the sound so far. It does sound like weird, but like in a really good way. Like really weird, but really sick is what I really mean. But like, you know, just something very very foreign, I guess you could say, or just unknown. Or not unknown, but you know what I mean. Something new that I don't really hear. But damn, nice.
Constant hallucination. So close your eyes and wake up. Once you liberate your thoughts, your real life can begin.
Wait a minute. Was PSN trying to wear like a hat? Like, was I just? I'm just too blind to notice, bro. I'm just too blind to freaking hair. Yeah, it's gonna stay that way. Oh, no, kind of fixed it. Still looks bad though. But bro, like I'm too blind to notice these things. I'm like, bro, I'm focused on like certain things and all that, and like some things that like I just missed. Like that's why I need to like as a judge, if I ever was, which I'd be terrible because I can't ever make up my goddamn mind. But bro, like I'm missing these key things. I need to watch these over and over and over again. Like goddamn. But I just don't realize it's hat. And then PSN has his, but like a little paper that says like a 7s or 7S. But bro, that's pretty funny.
Close your eyes and wake up.
Sounds so creepy, but so cool.
Close your eyes and wake up. Close your eyes and wake up.
Yo, this is some cool, weird alien crap right here. Oh my god. I'm saying crap because I don't really want to curse on this channel at all. You know, all audiences. You know. God damn, I need a haircut. That's what I need. But god damn. Ooh. you know how much fun I'd have with this Loopstation making those sounds? I'm pretty sure it most likely could be a second device, but making with the whether it's just the loops, the Mark II, if it's just that, then yeah, I would have fun. But with both of them, even with that, I would have so much fun making these crazy, creepy, cool sounds by myself. Just like it sounded like some sort of creepy horror movie monster or something like that. Or some hell of a sick robot or something. I don't know. It sounds so sick though. I would have so much fun with these effects, bro.
Close your eyes and wake up.
Just listen to that. You hear that? You hear that? Listen.
Close your eyes and wake up.
Like, god damn. It's like some huge freaking monster like in the middle of the city or something like that, just moving around. Or even like a freaking transformer. Like, god damn, bro. This sounds sick.
Close your eyes and wake up. Close your eyes and wake up. Close your eyes and wake up.
Bro, just oh my god, bro. All these sounds, I could think of so many different like scenarios or something like that with these like cool movie scenes or something like that. I don't know, it sounds so sick.
And that's time.
Holy crap, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. I don't know what to say, bro. Just second round, I gotta give it to both of them. I don't know. Just like, I don't know. Just let me know what you guys think on this, cause god damn. Okay, now it's blurry because I did that. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Focus. Okay, there you go. Yo, jeez, these guys are insane. I'm excited to see who makes it in, in the next quarterfinal. Along with the other guys, of course, but we'll check that out probably tomorrow, because that's when I'm pretty sure we'll get uploaded, because I think round 4 got uploaded today, so I gotta wait for the longer version that has all 4 together, or actually I don't even have to, I can literally just go on each one, but it's easier just to have this, so yeah, I'll probably wait, but I might upload this to you today or tomorrow. Today's Thursday, so yeah, but yeah, let me know what you guys think, let me know what you guys think of both of the rounds. Oh my god, those last 2 were sick, bro. I love them. But, bro, let me know what you guys think. Let me know who you think won this quarterfinal 4. Let me know who won that, I guess you could say. I'll put in different words. But, yeah. Let me know what you guys think of this video. Make sure to like, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you if you already have, or going to. And leave any recommendations you have below. And, Jesus, bro. These guys were insane. Kristóf popped off, and so did PSN. Damn, bro, like they both sounded great with these sounds, and like with the Loopstation Mark II and all that, and the second devices that they use, it's just, second devices and all that, it just makes everything like so much more like, whoa, like damn, like you can create these sounds, but along with put them in a beat or something like that, like damn, it's amazing, But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to, I think I already said that before, but yeah, drop a like, subscribe, and comment down any recommendations you have that you want us to react to. And yeah, the next recommendation I will probably upload. Now that I think about it, today or tomorrow, it's kind of late. But yeah, and I'm getting tired. I don't want to keep yawning during the whole video because I'm hella tired. So I don't just want to ruin the video with that. So fully energized, and even though these battles, like, pay attention to the whole thing, and goddamn, I'm glad I did. I'm glad I reacted to these too. Like, that's goddamn, these guys are really good. These guys, loop tracks, freaking, both their second rounds really blew me away. Like, goddamn. Kristóf creeped me out a bit, but in a really good way. Like, I really liked him. Kind of like, Inky, how, like, in his tracks, he, like, creeps people up, like, or at least me. And, but it's so sick. I love it. I love that weird, like, dark crap. It's kind of cool. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and comment down any recommendations. And I'll see you guys in the next video, which hopefully should not be a month from now. Or a week from now. Oh, crap. Yeah, or a week from now. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Damn, let me know what you guys think of these guys. Oh my god. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.